Ang daming tao po dito sa studio. We have about ilan? 4,600 plus people in the studio. Naitay Kapuso, please welcome our guests today. Tony Alarcon and Angela Alarcon. Hi, Angel. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Long time.
Long time no see.
Kumusta?
Happy to be here, my God.
Yeah, nice meeting you.
Meet you po.
Oh, your dad is a friend. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Kumusta? Kumusta kayo?
Okay naman.
delighted.
Magandang hapon kay Boy. Of course, sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa atin.
Gwapo mo pa rin.
Thank you. Thank you. Salamat po.
Hindi nagbabago tatay mo.
Dami ako nagsasabi.
Oh, hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin yun. Pero higit sa lahat, hindi lamang gwapo. Pero alam mo, Jess, sa lahat ng mga taon na ito, ang iyong reputasyon dito sa industriyang ito ay napakabait. Totoo yan. Everybody would say, he's a very kind man.
I agree naman, Tito Boy. He's a very good dad.
He is. No, but okay. If you were, Angel, if you were to describe, if you were to introduce your dad to someone who totally has no idea as to who he is, paano mo gagawin? Paano mo ipapakilala ang dad mo?
Sasabihin ko po sa kanila na he's a very protective and caring father po talaga. Kasi personally, sobrang hands-on po talaga niya sa akin ever since. Bago po ako mag-showbiz, he'd always be there for me and I really appreciate that from him.
Okay. Jess, ikaw naman, kung halimbawa ipapakilala mo ang iyong anak sa isang taong walang kaide-ideya kung sino si Angela, paano mo ipapakilala si Angel?
Well,
Gandahan mo, Dad.
bukod sa kanyang angking ganda, beauty and brain, masunuring bata, napakabait na bata. At may goal siya sa buhay. May dream siya na gusto niyang marating. Masigasig yan.
Ang galing, no? Ang ganda ng dynamics ninyo. Naging sino ka dahil sa iyong ama? I mean, at 25, 26, who are you because of your father?
I became someone very brave at matapang po talaga. Growing up, I watched his action films all the time. So I got inspired with how he is when it comes to, doing action po. Kaya rin po ako nag-taekwondo. I pursued getting my black belt because of him. Kasi I got inspired po talaga sa mga action movies niya. And I wanted to be someone like him, someone tough, someone who knows how to defend herself. So, yun po. He's my inspiration.
Diba? At saka ikaw, you graduated cum laude, University of the Philippines, taekwondo. Were you in the team of the university?
Opo, nag-UAAP po ako before. I represented my varsity team sa UP Diliman po as the taekwondo player.
Bakit sa lahat ng martial arts, ba't dun ka napunta? Taekwondo?
Opo, kasi it's very easy, honestly. It's like the most easiest martial arts. And
Talaga? How easy
For
is that?
me.
Stan, come here. Well, I know you're in a dress, but it's more of the hands, di ba?
more on like legs actually.
Legs.
Yes po.
Hindi ito?
Hindi po.
I have this idea na pag taekwondo, ganun.
Pero we use arms din po, Tito Boy. Like may onting punch din.
And then?
Pero
Ito
may
yung basic.
May mga pa-spinning kicks din po kami. Ha!
Pak! Ganon. Okay. So, naka-heels, di ba? Pero, closed ang fist.
Yes po, close pa yung fist.
Ano ba ang goal ng taekwondo? Pabagsakin ang kaaway?
It's more of like to hit lang po sa mga body parts, like yung full body here,
Yung sensitive-
chest,
Aha.
and then yung sa head po talaga. When you kick the head, yun po yung maraming points. So kapag may competition po, kailangan po talaga yung target nyo is the head.
So, kailangan your kick, dapat ang kick mataas.
Mataas po, and very fast.
Paano ka man nagiging isang black belter?
We have promotion test po every time eh. So may mga test po kami na kailangan gawin, may mga forms na we have to do. So every time we do that, pataas ng pataas po yung level po namin.
Galing. Nakaka-proud.
It takes years po, Tito Boy, talaga. Pero
Takes a lot of time and a lot of drive, determination, and brave.